that can only be claimed after surviving a battle. I'm looking forward to it. Lead the way. Your surprises are connected perfectly. There hasn't been a break. I recognized it as soon as I saw it. Don't be upset. The best way to preserve a memory is to relive it again. Do you want to join me for another ride at night? The N109 zone will always be open to you. Only making a wish to my birthday cake is a little bland. Where's my happy birthday performance? I'm waiting. I think it's time for me to blow out the candles. I'm surprised. This outfit has a mysterious charm to it. Its creativity exceeds the word unexpected. Why are you giving me a miniature version of myself? You've been waiting for a while. I don't recall disliking anything you've given me. So, what is this? It was in the box. Why don't you let me see? I'm curious about the story behind this plushie. What are you talking about? You weren't like that at all. I think you were extremely cute. You went through the trouble of making these preparations only to be caught off guard like this. They say when you spend enough time with someone, you change each other. I used to only rely on myself, so I never had anything to look forward to. But I've started to look forward to spending my birthdays with you now. You're the one who changed me. I think the entire N109 zone heard it. say